Welcome, dear friends. Whether you have watched one episode or all seven, I want to thank you. Together, we have walked through the emotional ladder we call the tone scale, from the silence of apathy to the stillness of serenity. Today, I'm here not to teach, but to help you to reflect, to integrate, and to take your own next step. We began with apathy, where all the emotions shut down. Then we rose to grief, the ache of loss. And fear showed us how to uncertainly creep in, while anger brought the fire of frustration and injustice. In antagonism, we saw how conflict marks the deeper needs. Then we came the turning points, that is the enthusiasm, where energy, purpose, and joy return. And finally, we arrived at serenity of beingness, the quiet power of presence, clarity, and peace. As I studied and lived these tones, I began to recognize them not only in my clients and loved ones, but within myself as well. I realized emotions are not enemies, they are maps. And the tone scale give us the language, the structure, and the tools to understand ourselves and others more deeply. It helps me become a better communicator, a better leader, and above all, a more compassionate human being. This book, The Problems of Work by L. Ron Hubbard, is more than a manual or navigating stress. It's a guide to emotional mastery and a human connection. It doesn't just teach you what people are feeling, it shows you why and what you can do to help them. Whether you're leading a team, raising a family, or simply trying to understand yourself, if these episodes resonated with you, I truly believe this book will take you deeper. I've made it easy for you to get your own copy from the original source. Just click the link below to order directly from Bridge Publications, the official publisher. This is the version I studied. It includes real-life tools and practical guidance. No fluff, just insight that works. So whether you are on the tone scale today, just know this. You are not stuck. You are moving. You are growing. And with awareness, you can rise. I hope this series inspired you, supported you, and reminded you that your emotions have meaning and your journey has purpose. My name is Moza-Bella, and this is your invitation to go deeper. I will see you in the next chapter.